Welcome to my workspace. This is why I'm not very productive. Hey friends, and welcome back to Vlogmas. There's mess as far as the eye can see today. And also, are we even still calling this Vlogmas? Because if we're being completely honest, I've skipped quite a few uploads. And, okay, I don't want this to come across the wrong way, like as if I'm just whatever, but I'm not sorry. Like, I'm sorry in as much as I always want to put good content out for you guys and I don't want to disappoint you, but I guess what I mean is I'm actively trying to not feel bad about skipping uploads this Vlogmas. You guys know that I've been a little bit on edge recently, and so I'm trying my best to just say, hey, if something is not getting uploaded, then it's not getting uploaded, and I'm not going to add that additional stress on myself. You guys are the best. You are always really understanding. I know that you are not mad if I skip an upload. You get it. I know that. But I just put a lot of pressure on myself. Like, if I want to do something, I want to do it 100%. And this year, I am challenging myself to be okay with taking breaks and saying, I can't do it. So today, I am finally going to upload my Couch to 5K video. It's taken me forever to edit. It's still not done. So I'm going to upload that today, and then this vlog can go up tomorrow. Look how perfectly you sit on my windowsill. How did I never know this? So plans for today: finally finish editing that Couch to 5K video. I have a blog post to write, and then I want to bake some Christmas cookies. Oh, and I should probably like tidy up this mess at some point too, but that doesn't sound very fun. I used up one of my Christmas candles. Don't panic, everyone. I have a stockpile on hand. We're good. We always have more Christmas candles available. Okay, friends. It's really cold, so I am bundled up like a big pink marshmallow, and I love it. I finished editing that video. It's just uploading. It's gonna take a while. And I finished my blog post, which I will link down below. I would love if you guys would go and check it out. It's all about my experience with my new life coach and like, what is life coaching? Is it good? Does it actually improve your life? So go check it out. Now we're gonna bake. So a little while ago, I promised my nephew that I would make him cookies, and I think that was 2 weeks ago, and I have not delivered the goods. So we are going to make some chocolate chip cookies. The recipe I use is from this Nosh for Students cookbook that I've had for a million years, and I like it because you can measure everything in a mug, and that saves on washing up. Here it is, chocolate chip cookies. Ingredients: butter, eggs, ooh, wine. Now there's a game changer. Merry Christmas to me. Okay, let's actually get started on these cookies now. So here's a trick that I learned when I was in university. I don't know a lot about cooking, but I do know this. If you want to test to see if an egg has gone off, put it in a bowl of water. If it sinks, you're good. If it floats, throw it away. I don't know how this one's gonna go. Yay! So when my nephew was really little, he was maybe about 3 or 4, I used to make these cookies for him. And I mean, it's like 5 ingredient cookies. They take no time. It's in a student cookbook, that he loves them, and when I used to make them, he used to tell everybody that his Auntie Aimee was the best chef in the whole world. Now he's 15 and yeah, I don't think he thinks I'm cool anymore, which is probably true. Hey friends, Aimee of the future here. I'm sitting here editing this video and I don't know what I did, but I deleted the entire second half of the vlog. All of it is gone. I'm sorry. I don't know what is wrong with me recently, but Vlogmas is really not going according to plan and I'm sorry. It's like my brain has departed the building and is I don't know how to pull it together at this point. But thank you guys for joining me for half a vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm gonna try and step up my game for the rest of Vlogmas and get it together because it's been a disaster so far. So thank you guys so much for watching. I will be back tomorrow with another Vlogmas video, promise, okay? And I will see you then. Bye guys.